Welcome to the Modern Technology Channel. Today, we'll explore 10 cool tech gadgets you may have never heard of. From devices that make everyday life easier to creative inventions, this video will bring you new and rewarding experiences. Let's start our journey of discovery right now. 1. Qudi Mask 2. Qudi Mask 2, the mask that helps you continue sharing your story through bright and unique emoticons to bring new interactions. Explore a new dimension of expression with the Qudi Mask 2. All three mask designs have the same basic function as well as a unique feature: Robot Kawaii Eyebrows XX Emotion Glyphs unique visual effects. Forget about controlling the mask and focus on what's really important while the mask decides what emotions to express based on your unique behavior and surroundings. Visual effects: want to add a bit of color? Choose from 50 built-in lighting effects. Make your masks more unique with our basic or signature cases. Perfect your expressions with a case that highlights your character and unlock additional custom skins like cat. Mask 2 fits perfectly on any face, has significant ventilation space and sits comfortably for several hours at a time. Over the years, we have collected hundreds of new ideas and innovations that we have carefully tested. It's all about interactivity and connection with your actions. 2. Surprise Pro Screwdriver Tool Set. Meet Surprise Pro, the 70-in-1 precision power tool set designed to solve these common problems, providing you with a comprehensive, functionally organized and efficient tool set. In today's fast-paced world, having the right tools at hand is essential. With our all-in-one precision toolkit, you can say goodbye to messy workspaces and wasted time. Surprise Pro is meticulously designed to serve a variety of repair situations. From sophisticated electronics and complex gadgets to home appliances and DIY projects, our toolkits ensure you have the right tool for every job. The carbon fiber case also offers superior protection against impacts and drops. This anti-shock feature protects the motor, providing peace of mind that your tool will endure the rigors of demanding tasks. Unified carbon fiber aesthetic to complement the innovative design of the engine cover. The kit's outer shell features a carbon fiber veneer. This protective layer enhances scratch resistance, ensuring your set remains pristine and durable over time. It also adds to the overall power of the Surprise Pro. With 42 magnetic bits and 27 types of fixing tools, each part has its own designated location, keeping everything neatly in place. The box is magnetically sealed, opening and closing with a satisfying snap, making it always a pleasure to use. 3. Atmoph Window Yo Smart Virtual Window. Atmoph Window Yo is a Windows smart display that enriches your daily life. Over 1,700 original videos shot in 6K with sounds of nature around the world explore animals and nature with the innovative telescopic controller. New travel destinations with smart direction. Atmoph Window Yo will make every day of your life richer. The flow of moments of joyful resolution and discovery. The Atmoph Window Yo completely reimagined its design from the ground up, including the mechanical structure and computer circuit board. The new design is very minimalist and beautiful. Beautiful minimal design to fit any interior. The first telescopic remote controller, Atmoph scope and detachable modules, incredibly faster experience. 4x more powerful CPU and 15x more powerful GPU. Environmentally friendly materials and packaging. The Atmoph Window Yo can connect together with up to 5 windows to form one large nearly 6K window, syncing landscape video via Bluetooth. Our AI assistant can answer any question. Powered by ChatGPT, trained on Atmoph's vast database of landscape information and landscape images, AI assistants respond clearly. Enjoy any number of combinations from 1 to 5 windows. From Netflix's most watched TV series of all time to hit games. 4. ProtoArc Ergonomic Smart Chair. Enhance comfort and health with the ProtoArc Ergonomic Smart Chair that significantly increases comfort by relaxing and reducing many health problems associated with prolonged sitting. The weight-adaptive reclining mechanism helps you recline easily and return to an upright position seamlessly. From 90 degrees to 135 degrees with a wide 44-degree adjustment range. This premium cushioning combines softness and resilience, ensuring support properties are maintained over time. ProtoArc Ergonomic Smart Chair replaces Change the Game with a smart, automatic adaptive lumbar support system that uses airbags in separate areas to precisely adjust not only from the rear but also from the sides for maximum comfort. 5. Nutriscan AI, Nutrition Scanner. Nutriscan AI is an app that analyzes everything you eat within seconds of your camera information. After identifying the food, cooking method and quantity, Nutriscan AI will show you a breakdown of all the macro and micronutrients present, helping you identify the food better and highlight any what's missing. Despite that shortcoming, the app will recommend the right way to produce the nutrients you need for personalized priorities, based on seasonal foods available in your area and your preferences. In certain cases, Nutriscan AI also recommends a series of supplements to address more serious deficiencies. 6. MutiFlex 13-in-1 Flashlight. MutiFlex is a flexible integrated EDC luminaire that can be made to fit a variety of problems, whether indoors, outdoors or in the car. Boasting more martial arts capabilities, including 360-degree lighting, power bank, arc burning, folding knife, cutting pliers, window breaker, plastic bottle cutter, ensuring your safety and proving to be perfect choice. Companion in every situation, meeting countless usage requirements. MutiFlex boasts compact dimensions, 220 mm long and 50 mm wide. Its innovative folding design facilitates tighter integration between different functional modules, ensuring convenient portability. With the backpack's sleek design, it easily fits into a suitcase, car or home, ensuring you're always ready for any situation, wherever you are. 7. AnkerMake M5 3D Printer. AnkerMake M5 is 5 times faster with 0.1 mm accuracy for smooth finished curves. With built-in AI camera recognition system, your prints stay on track. And you can be anywhere with multiple devices. AnkerMake V6 Color Engine, a multi-color and material module add-on that brings performance and flexibility to the M5. You'll achieve high-speed precision with Power Boost, which optimizes power by Y-axis drive system. Power Boost uses powerful stepper motors, double belt drive shafts, and stable motion algorithms to generate loads of additional power for high speeds. The M5 is equipped with 2 processors, including an X-Burst CPU for smart 3D printing and a Marlin CPU for conventional processing. With added power, the M5 tracks your prints so the model matches your design. The AnkerMake slicer analyzes the model's 3D data before starting to print. Then the AI recognition system uses the powerful X-Burst CPU to continuously test and compare throughout the entire process. Whenever the moment of inspiration strikes, you'll be able to access your prints anytime, anywhere. 8. Flux Keyboard. Flux Keyboard, by combining the tactility and speed of a mechanical keyboard with the adaptability of a display, it breaks down the barriers between you and what you want to accomplish. Flux Keyboard in Action User Impressions Test Machine Combat Speed Technical Prototype shown important new changes. Proper Application Showcase. The full HD IPS display automatically switches between profiles to display relevant shortcuts and macros that are fully customizable for any software or in any language. It also allows to customize the keyboard with any background image, video or interaction style. Layouts are available for many popular applications. Modify them to suit the work you do or create your own custom layouts for any other software. More than 27 languages are supported by default. Configure it the way you want. Using keyboard shortcuts can save significant time. Studies have shown that users can save several seconds every minute when using a mouse. This adds up to about 60 hours in a year. 2 seconds, 1 minute equals 15 minutes, workday equals 75 minutes per week, 5 days equals 60 hours per year. The key press trigger point can be customized in 0.1 mm increments for each individual key. Acting sooner means reacting faster because the distance traveled is less. This latter action can prevent accidental presses of certain keys. When rapid repeated key presses are required, the limiting factor becomes key release. Traditional mechanical keys must be moved to a higher release point before they can be reactivated, slowing down the entire process compared to analog keys that can be released immediately. Interchangeable modules. Up to 4 modules can be magnetically attached to the keyboard to enhance your productivity and creativity. Available in 4 module types that can be mixed and rearranged in seconds in any of 256 different combinations to suit your desired use case. 9. Nebula Cosmos Laser 4K. Unleashing extreme brightness for your home entertainment system with 2400 lumens power to make content shine bright any time of day. Laser Forge Imaging Engine unleashes the true potential of your photos. Powered by laser, the imaging engine features a LPD 3.0 software used in professional cinemas that enhances brightness, saturation and contrast, then takes it to the next level. Once your eyes are captivated by the 100% true color accuracy, you will be amazed by the increased brightness of the laser performance. See the advanced algorithm instantly frame your image to the right size for your space or screen with auto screen fit. Enjoy a movie night anywhere in or around your home with the ergonomic curved top handle, turning any space into a movie theater. It's okay if you accidentally bump into the projector, as gridless auto-trapezoidal correction adjusts vertical and horizontal aspects to an ideal 16:9 ratio in 3 seconds. Seamless autofocus creates instantly clear images, so you'll spend less time in the settings menu and more time interacting with your content. 10. Smart Camera Assistant. Arsenal is the world's first information support for DSLR and mirrorless cameras. The ultra-lightweight hardware lets you control the camera wirelessly using an iOS or Android online app. And advanced machine learning algorithms help you get the perfect shot every time. With just one tap, you can activate Arsenal's AI settings assistant. Installation assistants are trained on thousands of beautiful photos. It can determine the optimal settings for the scene you're shooting. Next, it fine-tunes those settings using 18 different environmental factors. The results are great settings for any shoot. Like your own personal photography assistant, Arsenal lets you focus on the parts of photography you love while it takes care of the rest. Arsenal allows you to control your camera from up to 100 feet away. Set shutter speed, aperture and ISO. See live preview and trigger the shutter from your smartphone. Arsenal automates advanced image stacking techniques to help you capture high dynamic range scenes. In seconds you can capture multiple exposures and merge them into a single RAW or JPG file on camera. My photos do not need post-processing. With Arsenal, you can review them wirelessly on your phone. Flip through photos quickly, zoom in to see details at full resolution, then share your favorites right from your phone. Thank you for watching the video. Please leave a comment below the video if you have any dissatisfaction or other opinions. Like and subscribe so we can provide you with more videos and products every day.